Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add WhatsApp link on TikTok. To learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So now to find the WhatsApp link, you have to open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device. And now I'm at the chat space. Now you can see that there is three dot icon which is around at the top right corner of the screen. Just tap on it and tap on settings, and now you are at the settings section of your page. Now you can see there is QR code icon which is around at the top right side of the screen. Just tap on it, and now you can tap on the share icon which is around at the top right side of the screen just beside of three dot icon. Just tap on it. So now I'm going to forward my link on my own Gmail and copy it from there. And now you can see that there is link just below, add me as a contact on WhatsApp. Just copy it, tap on copy. So now you have successfully retrieved the link of WhatsApp. Just copy it, and now you can go to your TikTok. Now open your TikTok application on your mobile device. Now I am at the home page of my application. Now you can tap on the profile icon which is around at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it and it will take you to the profile section. Now you can tap on edit profile which is just below your followers count. Just tap on it, and now you can paste your WhatsApp link on your bio. Just tap on bio. Now paste your WhatsApp link here. To finalize your bio, just tap on the save button which is around at the top right side of the screen. Just tap on it. So finally you have added your WhatsApp link on TikTok. So I hope you know now how you can add WhatsApp link on TikTok. That's it for today. Thanks for watching our video. To drop like and subscribe to our channel, we'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.